Hello teacher. Hello everyone. My name is Hong Bạc. I study at Milky Way School. I study at Milky Way School. Okay, and glue stick. Glue stick. Yes, glue stick. Glue stick. Okay, glue stick like this, okay? And glue stick. And then is marker. 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 Yes, marker. Yeah, it's good, marker. And this one is pen. 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 Yes, pen. And this one is pencil. Pen. Saw. Pen. Saw. Pencil. Pen. Saw. Pencil. Saw. Pen. Saw. Pencil. Saw. This one is eraser. 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 Sir. Yes, and the last is book. Book.